Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're just going to cook some collard greens. I've had quite a lot of messages, emails and that about how to prepare and do them. So they're very, very simple. So here's our collard greens. I've kind of chopped them into kind of strips. With that, we're going to be using some onions, garlic, and then you can add any sort of herb or spice you want. Today I'm going to be using some smoked paprika and some thyme. There's about a teaspoon of each there. What you need to do though is with this stuff, get it and give it a nice wash and rinse it out in cold water, because like sort of spinach, it has little bits of gravel and grains of dirt on it. So give it a nice clean. It's really, really simple. Let's get to the cooker. So talk about easy, here we go. You need a sort of large pan because the collards will cook down. They're sort of really bulky and like spinach and things like that, they will sort of reduce by about 75%. I've got some olive oil in there. You could be using a different oil if you wanted, or even butter. What we're going to do simply is drop our onions in, get our garlic in there, and just for like 2 or 3 minutes on a kind of fairly lively heat, let's fry these around in the pan. Okay, so as these are just sort of taking, slightly changing colour, what we're going to do now is add some salt to taste, some black pepper, then we're going to add our smoked paprika and thyme, or herbs of your choice. I think the smoked paprika works really well with this actually. There we go. Simply what we're going to do is grab our collards, get them in. Now this is where you need a kind of full big pot or pan. You need to fill it right up. And as you can see, I've actually got stalks and stuff in there as well. That looks like celery, but it's not. It's actually the stalks of the collard. So in it goes. If you wanted, you could add a little bit of water to this and then cover it with a lid. But I find that if we just stir fry this in there for about 4 or 5 minutes, it's going to reduce and it's going to give out enough moisture as it is. So once it starts to weep and sort of, go down a little bit, we can start stirring it. I'll be back in about 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then during that time. And as you can see, we've got pretty much quite a lot. Well, there's loads of actually liquid coming out of this one. Okay, so stirring it around. I'm about halfway through here, by the way. So I'm gonna give it another 2 or 3 minutes. See how we get on then. Okay, so this is looking absolutely wonderful. Like I said, I've got quite a lot of water and moisture from my collards. You might not, there's several different types of collards. Now, what you can do is you can serve this just like this, with that moisture in, or you can keep it going and it will just steam out and dry out a little bit. That's up to you. I quite like mine just like this actually. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.